What's ironic about anything that we do from an innovative point of view in air traffic services particularly is that it moves very, very slowly. And the key to all of this project that we're involved in is a demonstration of digital skies.
The whole idea of this project started with a simple conversation with a couple of engineers say, look guys, what about deploying this? The SESAR joint undertaking instrument that helps us get the funding in place. So we knew that the project will get accepted even from that conversation.
As we see air mobility advance, we're going to need to have much more integration of smaller vehicles, more autonomous vehicles, and indeed, passenger vehicles and cargo into the airspace.
How do we bring them together? How we connect them? How the differentiated capabilities that they have together make something bigger?
We had the problem of the situational awareness, so being the drone far away from our side, so opposite to the manned aircraft, where there is actually the pilot on board of the aircraft. So we need to have kind of situational awareness to being able to maintain the safety of the operation.
We are deploying capabilities around communications, so the CNPC solution. We are deploying capability around observing small drone-type aircraft in the environment using a Skylar system from Collins.
The Skylar product is a radar, an X-band radar. It's a multi-mission radar. It can detect birds. It is an advanced weather radar. So it really does 3 or 4 different use cases in one panel.
All the systems that we are deploying need to be correctly integrated with each other, such as Skylar radar, the CNPC, adding global network to exchange all this in a data exchange, and also the key element on this point, which is Collins Aerospace Services, that is able to support the unmanned traffic management platform.
The path towards how we integrate the digital technology with our own digital technology that is quite a closed system, and point the path and the direction for how that's going to become integrated with manned air traffic in the future and in the now even as well.
The problem we're trying to solve here is the identification of drone activities in a controlled airspace, the likes of Shannon Airport.
It's giving us a platform that we can actually look at to see how it works, how it operates, how we can look at ways of integrating it.
The largest obstacle is to trying to integrate 3 or 4 products, get regulatory approval for something that's completely new, and we're trying to prove to air traffic control and regulators in Dublin that what we're doing is safe and secure.
I don't think there's many places in the world where you can find this kind of ecosystem, so it's been really helpful for us.
The project will accelerate the understanding and the implications, the business model and the viability of deploying such services in the country.
I see the future with a lot of drones operations flying in the sky, one doing medical delivery, another carrying passengers, another for the police, another for medical goods. Being able to put all these pieces together and this infrastructure together, which is scalable.
Once it's deployed here, it can be rolled out across the country and go beyond just the country, goes to Europe and maybe beyond as well.
It's bringing all these bright minds together, being able to do cool stuff and do it hands-on, show people what's possible through demonstration, and then turn that into the future products for Collins.
I see a really bright future for air traffic management, but I also believe that we need to be on board with everything that's happening so that we can better inform ourselves, and ultimately the best thing an ATCO or an air traffic controller wants to do is filter out as much of traffic that they don't need to know about, and this is a way to do it in a real world technological solution, and as a result provide a better service to all aviation stakeholders.